Welcome everyone to our live show. If you hear me, please connect yes. Please leave the comment yes. Hello the friends from the UA. Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. And this is Demi. Now I'm in a factory in Jiaozuo in China. And our company is the Doing Company. Welcome new friends, welcome old friends. Thank you so much to our live show. Hello guys, hello. Yes, our host will come back later. Now I just introduced for you our company. Yes, and this is Demi from China. Hello guys, welcome to our live show. Hello new friends, hello old friends. Thank you so much for coming. And today we will introduce about our batch pyrolysis reactor for everyone. So right now, as you can see, we are in a factory. And I have to tell you, we have 3 factories in Jiaozuo, and this is the one. This is the one in here. And as you can see, we have a lot of reactor here. And I have to let you know, guys, you're supposed to be order first, and we will product. So all those reactor is already ordered. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live show, and this is Demi. We are from Doing Company. So guys, if you want to know how to use the with the terry, with the plastic to make the oil, make the diesel, please give us a follow. And also if you have any question, please leave the comment here. Yes, and if you have friends, they are interested about the pyrolysis oil, and please share our live stream to them, okay? Please share our live stream to them. Welcome new friends, welcome old friends. Thank you so much to come our live show. And this is Demi. And right now we are in Jiaozuo factory, and we are from the Doing Company. Thank you. Hi, welcome to our live stream. Free to follow me by click the button in the up left here, guys. Just follow us. And if you have any question, please leave the comment here. And today, our host will introduce our pyrolysis reactor, and also for the whole line about how to make the pyrolysis oil, the diesels, everything, we will introduce it to you. So if you have interested about the waste terry, with the plastic, please give us a follow. And also any question you can leave here, okay? Any question. Guys, as you can see, we have a big factory here. Oh my God, that is so big. And today I will introduce the batch type pyrolysis reactor to everyone. So if you have any question, please let me know. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know. And right now, let me show you the reactor here first, okay? Let me show you the reactor. Okay, let's go. Let's go. And as we're going to see, this is the whole reactor, and we can see the shells here outside, and also for the air inlet, and also for the air outlet. This is for the cooling system. When you just have to heat the reactor, you need to cooling them. After you stop it, you need to make a, before we don't have the hole here, you need to take like 4 hours or 5 hours. But right now, you only need to take like 3 hours, and the whole reactor will be cooling down. Yeah, we just increased the things. And this is the batch pyrolysis reactor, guys. This is a batch pyrolysis reactor. And also this is our whole factory. That is so big, and that is so amazing. And we can see the back here. So our reactor, you can use it for the waste terries, waste plastic, and also for some alumina. So if you want to make the diesels, you want to make the carbon black, here you can be a good choice. Welcome new friends. If you are the first time in our live show, please click the follow button to me. And also if you have any question, please leave the comment right here. Okay, leave the comment right here. And our host will come back and introduce our main things for you guys. Yes, just turn by. Okay. So guys, let me show you our continuous pyrolysis reactor is right here. Let me show you. This is our continuous pyrolysis reactor. As we're gonna see, the continuous pyrolysis reactor is the longer one because you can use it like more than 13 days, honey. You need to use it more than 13 days, and this pyrolysis reactor is so long. And when you just go to inside, you need to make some powder inside and continuous products, continuous make the diesel. Yes, continuous make the diesel. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live show. If you are the first time in our live show, please give us a follow button. And also, if you are interested about with the tires, with the plastic, to make the diesels, you can give us a follow. And right now, let me just introduce those things for you. This is a great thing. And our host will introduce it to you guys. Are you excited? Yes, let her come.
Okay. 我要怎么说？给我调整一下。Okay. Hello everyone, nice to meet you guys. Welcome to Doing Growth. Here I'm going to take you guys for looking around our factory. Okay, follow me. You know, from the beginning, I have already introduced to you our production capacity. One production line is already 20,000 square meters. Totally, we have two production lines, same as like these areas. And you know, at the moment, our factory is very busy for the production. You can see there's so many reactors, and this one is ready to go for shipping. This is for our domestic orders. And right now, we are in the first production department. I will show you, this time I will show you all the information and what kind of products we produced in the production line 1. And a few minutes ago, we just have 3 reactor capacity with 15 tons was shipped already. That was for our domestic orders. You can see this side. This one was our reactor. This one is for the inside of the reactors. This one is for the inside of the reactors. Be careful. The general looking for the inside of the reactor. And also there's another insulation cover out of it. And this one, it was in the reactor as well, but you know, without finish yet. This you can see inside. Can you see inside of the reactor? 拿个手机拍一下。 我给你拍一下。诶，看不清是吧？ I don't know whether you can see very clearly. Inside, you can see the spiral plate. It's easy for the feeding. When you do the feeding part, the spiral plate will help you to move forward for your raw materials. 这边。 And this was our workers. They are working for the welding workers. And this one, the machine is for the steel plate rolling machine. It can make the whole plate into round shape, like in order to make the reactor. So here I want to show you more regarding our pyrolysis plant reactor. For the details, from the height of the seal, you can see the. I'm not sure you can see very clearly for the seal height. It's made of by one part, and the whole part was made by the steel plate. It's no welding and not like the other factory. They just did the seal height with different plates and then they sewed them together. And this part, and this was our guiding rail. Later I will show you more details on the pyrolysis plant. Go不去了。过不去的话，我们就去门口讲。你现在录着没？在录。Okay, we just look around here. And in this factory, we produce the pyrolysis plant and also the distillation plant. Mainly you can see the pyrolysis plant. So for now, I will show you some more details for the reactor. For example, you can see the welding part. It's made by the automatic welding machine. No, it's very smooth and neat, and not man-made. You can see very clearly, very clean, and also very neat. Not like the others with the pots and very unclear. And also for this part, for our reactor, for this part, in order to make it strong, we just weld some steel plates into the outlet. We have so many steel plates to sort around the outlet. So just make sure when the plant was rolling around, the outlet won't get any divulge. And also, just now I have shown you our seal height. Now it's the seal height on the pyrolysis plant. Due to the seal height was welded directly with this part, with the body part. So you can see it's mainly welded by the automatic welding machine. So it connects very nice and perfect. And not like others. The others maybe their seal plates, their seal height will be inside of the reactor. They use the welding by man-made. It's not the welding by automatic machine. Okay, let's go move around. So, and this is a part of the rolling part for the reactor. This part was mainly rolled by the machine. Later, I will show you the process. This one. You can see our reactor body was produced by the machine directly. So the difference is very small. It was rolling around by the machine totally. And then we just need to weld the connection. This tool part was for our distillation plant. In this lines, these are our domestic orders. They are mainly dealing with quota. The system is quite different with the normal pyrolysis plant because for the pyrolysis plant, different raw material needs different system for feeding. So that's why we have different design for the feeding part. And this one is our insulation cover. I have already introduced all the reactor details, and here is the insulation cover. Inside, we have the cement to to prevent the heat outside. And for the insulation cover, and you must be very curious for the structure. I will show you the structure with our insulation cover. Totally, our insulation cover, there are three parts. One is the steel cover, and the second one will be this kind of stuff. It can prevent the fire. It's a kind of material for anti-fire. And after this, the second layer, we have the cement. We have the cement to cover them. The cement is also for the anti-fire, prevent the heat outside. So when you're doing the process inside of the temperature of the reactor, it's very higher, maybe around above 400 degrees. But we outside with our insulation cover, the outside temperature only under 50 degrees. So much safety for very safety for the human. Okay. So this is the around. I just take you to look around our production line 1. Now I will show you the whole details of our advantage for our reactor. This reactor with capacity 15 tons. The general looking will be like this. The oil gas outdoor and the background in front. So from now, I will show you more details for our reactor. Our reactor mainly department is for the feeding part and also for the connection part. The reason, I think you already seen the other supplies. They are for the feeding door and also for the oil gas leaks. The front door and the back door is different size. That will lead the problem during the running. It may be a different balance. Maybe they will run not very stably. But with our design, for the inlet, for the outlet, and also the inlet in the background, the diameter is same. So the balance will be very, very good during the running process. And another details, can you see this is the gas reel. Just now I show you the gas reel, very like the ring, the circle. It's very, we made the gas reel by the casting, and the steel was melted and then pulled out with a model. So the ring part is a circle, not man-made. And also you can see the gas reel was not connected with the reactor directly. We have 10 centimeters far away from the reactor, just to prevent the heat exchange. During the running of the reactor, the heat, this part will be very hot, and we under the gas reel protection, the temperature will be lower. So the high temperature won't transfer to the bearing part. This bearing part, we call this it's bearing part. For this bearing part, you can see we have the groove inside. The advantage of the groove is just in case the reactor move and back, because this way for the gas outlet was connected with the cooling system. So this part needs to fix. That's why we have to make the grooves on the bearing, so it can help to fix the reactor in the position and run stably. And also we have some parts for the screw. The structure is also different with the other suppliers. You can see for the screw department, for this structure, the others maybe only the steel plate was standing here and then connect with the bearing. But for ours, we use the flexible screw connection. It's easy to protect the bearing, so we can protect the bearing for a long time. And also, once you find the reactor was not in the same position, you can adjust the bearing through the screws. It's very easy to adjust. Okay. And for the reactor, we also designed for the cooling system. You can see this 4-door under the reactor with the same diameter, very large. Very large. It's for our cooling system. So once you finish the production, the reactor needs to be cooling down. We just open the draft, then the cooling air will go through from here, and then the cooling air will be covered the reactor with 160 degrees, and then just get the hot air will be taken out from the top. And this part is for the discharging. This is for the slag discharging door. When you open it, you will find the door of the reactor. All the carbon black will be coming outside. So for now, I have already taken you a look around for the reactor. Maybe you were wondering what kind of raw material will be used. So like the waste tires, plastic, and also some household waste, including some industrial waste like oil sludge, also the waste from the hospital as well. All the material are able to be used with our pyrolysis plant. And with that, we just take the tires, for example. You just need to put the tires inside of the reactor. After the process, you will get the carbon black, fuel oil, and steel wire. This is only for the tires. If you get more waste, like waste plastic, you only can get the carbon black and the fuel oil. So we will show you all the general look for the whole department. 要给他展示所有的能。I will show you the whole part of the reactor. Oh, crap. I'm not sure whether you can see very clearly for the looking of the reactor. But if not, we can send you our company catalog for your checking. So after this information of our reactor, maybe you were very curious for the capacity of our pyrolysis plant. For the pyrolysis plant, we have different capacity from the small capacity until the large one. We have the capacity with 1 ton, 2 ton, 5 ton, 10 ton, 12 ton. The max capacity for our pyrolysis plant is 15 tons a day. I mean for the daily capacity. And also our pyrolysis plant is very popular in the world. Our company are the professional manufacturer in the pyrolysis area. We have been in this line almost more than decades. And our pyrolysis plants have been already exported to 90 countries, like South. Maybe you want to know which countries our pyrolysis plant export to. We have export. We have export our pyrolysis plant into like South America, the countries name like Brazil and Colombia, and also the other small countries as well. Also, we have done mining pyrolysis plant in Mexico as well. This is only for the South American area. And also we have done many pyrolysis plants in India and also the south of Asia. We have many plants set up there. And if you are very interested in our pyrolysis plants, we are also can be able to arrange the visiting for the running place as well. And after this describe, maybe you want to know how long time we can make the guarantee for our pyrolysis plants. Generally speaking, the guarantee for our pyrolysis plant is 1 year, and during the 1 year, if our machine have something wrong or some problem with the running, our engineer will go and assist you for the machine. And also you may be asked for the pyrolysis plant. It's not a simple and easy machine. It's a huge plant. You may asking it's easy or difficult for installation. For this point, you don't need to worry about that because we have a full and professional team for the engineer team. They can go. Our company will send our engineer to your site to assist for the installation. If you don't need our engineer, we can send you our drawing for the installation as well. So you can totally do the project very successfully. And also, during the running, you will get the fuel oil. The fuel oil, it was extracted from the waste, right? So the profits will be very high. If you are the first time to know the pyrolysis plants, you may send us your requirements, like the capacity, like what kind of material you have. We will suggest you a workable and suitable configuration for our pyrolysis plants. And also, one mainly important question is when you want to ask is whether it is safe during the running. I want to tell you that the design of the pyrolysis plant is done by ourselves, by our engineer team. We have totally understand the safety, how it is important for each customer. So no matter for the safety and for the environment, we have already take that into consideration. So, for example, for the environment, we have the total system for the environment, like the smell removal system, and also flue gas clean system, and also have the desaturation tower as well. Just in case, make sure the emission is less and less to meet the requirements of your local government. For the safety, regarding the safety, we have already told you, we have the safety device, and even for, you can see for the insulation cover, it's a kind of safety device as well, because we have the safety insulation cover. Just make sure the temperature outside is really low and to protect the workers. And also for the base, we have the steel base with H shape, which can make sure your pyrolysis plant running very stably and no problem. This is only for our pyrolysis reactor. You know, if you want to set up this plant with your raw material, you can send us the requirement to ask and check more details, like for example, for the 15 tons capacity reactor, how large for the land size, and standard size, requirement size for the 15-ton capacity pyrolysis plant is 300 square meters, including the cooling, the reactor, the heating system, and the cooling system, and also for the environmental system as well. Totally only 300 square meters and to 450 square meters. If your land is have the limited size, you can send us to check the size. Our engineer will help you to display the plant and give you the suggestion whether it is workable for the pyrolysis plant. And if you are the first time to know the pyrolysis plant, it's better to tell us your exact demand, like what kind of final products you want to get, and what kind of raw material you have. All this done directly to our team, so we can suggest you which capacity and which pyrolysis plant is workable for you. And also for the for the pyrolysis plant, you are not only dealing the waste, like the waste tires, waste plastics, and oil, sludge, quota, like the waste from the hospital. All these kind of things are able to be dealt by the pyrolysis plant. You just need to feed the raw material, your raw material inside, and then close the door, start to heating. That's easy, very easy, and all the system will be controlled by the PLC system. It was running properly and without any safety. If you worried about the safety, we have the whole system for the safety as well, like the vacuum device. We will help you to make sure the safety issues. You can see this part. This is our reactor for delivery. It's only for the one part for the reactor. And as I told you, you can deal with all your waste, like waste tires, waste plastic, oil, sludge, hospital waste. But you also very curious about the final part. As I told you, the final part is the oil. You can get the fuel oil. You can use it as a kind of heating raw material. And also you can sell the fuel oil into the market. The selling price is very high as well. And also there's another dealing method dealing with the fuel oil. The fuel oil you get from the waste is able to be sold on the market directly, and also it was okay to be as a fuel for heating. We have done the pyrolysis plant for many years, and we know the final products very well. For the fuel oil, we also can refine the fuel oil into diesel. Maybe you don't know, but the diesel, we are professional manufacturer as well for the distillation plants. So for the pyrolysis plants, you don't need worry about us. Our quality, service, and design, everything will be one-step service from your purchasing stage until we help you finish the installation. We will give you the service with one step. Okay. So generally, for the pyrolysis plant, next time I will show you more. This time only for the pyrolysis reactor. Next time I will show you the whole system, like from the heating system and the cooling system until the final products with the environmental system. I will show you part. That's all. Bye bye. 我感觉我吼得好大哟。
还好。
我都扯着嗓子吼，我就害怕听不见。
听得见，你没事儿，我这边声音调得很大。
它这个很大。
那你这边声音很大是吗？
我调得很大。
就是你小声。
哦。我觉得这里边太吵了。
没事没事，你